Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Fios TV One box keeps freezing, signal drop, app and firmware fix. To fix a Verizon Fios TV One box that keeps freezing, reboot your main Fios router first, as the TV box relies entirely on your local network signal to stream video smoothly. Freezing typically stems from signal drops, corrupted app data, or outdated firmware. Fix 1. Signal drops and hardware connections. First, check coaxial cables. Hand tighten all coaxial connection on the wall splitter, router, and Fios box. A loose thread causes immediate video pixelation. Next, inspect the splitter. Bypass old third-party splitters. Use only MOCA-compatible splitters rated for 5 to 1675 MHz to prevent internal signal drop. Next, reposition mini boxes. If using a wireless Fios TV1 Mini, ensure it has a clear line of sight to the main router. Move it away from electronic interference. Fix 2. Reset apps and clear cache data. Press and hold the power button on your Fios remote for 15 seconds to trigger a hard box reboot. Now, if freezing only happens inside streaming apps like Netflix or YouTube, open the main menu. From there, navigate to Settings and select System. Now choose Media Client Settings to clear cached application data. Fix 3. Force firmware and software update. Unplug the power cable from the back of the Fios TV One box. Then wait for 30 seconds and plug it back in while holding the power button on the front of the physical box until the light flashes. This forces a clean download of the latest software. Now log into your Verizon router's admin page to check for pending network firmware updates that resolves data packet drops. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.